I can feel a sneeze coming on. I'm not ready. Sorry, I'm going to sneeze. I think I spit near the Pacific Ocean then. I felt a sneeze coming on. It's not yet bedtime, so it's an early one. Well, I think it's finished. No, it's not finished. This is actually my second sneeze today. The first one was funnier. But again, I didn't have my phone because I was eating my dinner. Well, I didn't quite fill the Pacific Ocean, but I guess I filled a pond there with some spit. Oh well, folks. I will post this tonight because it's early, and I'll keep you updated. Love you all. Bye.